Onto the interior of the Volvo C40, we can see the vehicle has been finished with the Alcantara with the vegan leather. The vehicle did come with the upgraded Fjord blue carpets. The vehicle, of course, does come complete with the new Google infotainment system. The vehicle, of course, does have the upgraded Harman Kardon sound system. And, of course, the vehicle does benefit from electric passenger seat and electric driver's seat with four-way lumbar with memory. The Volvo C40 does benefit from ISOFIX points both left and right, and of course the vehicle does benefit from rear heated seats. The vehicle also comes equipped with rear privacy glass. The Volvo C40 does come complete with a 360-degree parking camera, including front and rear park assist. This particular vehicle, as mentioned, is that recharge twin, so it's the all-wheel drive 400 brake. We do, of course, have power tailgate and keyless tailgate. The vehicle comes with quite a large boot in the rear, and of course we do have that 60-40 split on the rear seats. Located below is your charging cables. Other features, of course, on this vehicle are blindside assist located on each wing mirror. The vehicle does benefit from keyless entry, and of course we can see the vehicle does come complete with automatic lights, automatic wipers. This Volvo C40 is part of the Volvo Select program, so the vehicle gets fully checked. This vehicle, should you have any interest and like to arrange a test drive, please contact us at 045 431 725.